Hey folks, let's check what does this month November hold for you. Okay, so what is gonna happen with you in this month? Choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like two piles are calling out to you, check the other one as well. You might have a hidden message. It is a general collective reading. Take what resonates, guys. And yeah, you can pause the video and choose a pile. The timestamps are given in the description column below. Okay. So pile one, you chose this Mosa Gate, and I feel like there will be a sudden shock or surprise that is gonna happen in November for you guys. Maybe someone is gonna betray you, or some kind of loss, or some kind of sorrow. It will be really shocking and sudden. You might even end a relationship. There are chances of you might ending a relationship, but I feel like this change is gonna happen for good. I feel like by end of the November, you will feel like whatever happened was for your conscious truth and enlightenment, and whatever loss you faced, or something that you gave up, was actually for your own good. Okay, so as I'm seeing Eight of Cups here, and it actually symbolizes that you're walking another way, moving out from something or losing something. And Ten of Swords also symbolizes betrayal, or someone taking advantage of you, or some revelation, some hidden truth is gonna come out, which is gonna make you question everything. Okay, like over here, if you can see, it's a key here. Wait a minute. Okay, so it is like this man is opening a treasure, this man is opening a hidden truth which is gonna enlighten it. So you need to be patient all the while, or you might, some of you guys, take what resonates. Okay, some of you guys might lose a job, or some of you guys might feel like nothing is happening. So I feel like a sudden change is gonna come in your life. Okay, and you need to be patient enough and deal with it, dig deep inside why is certain things happening in your life. Okay, this November is gonna bring a lot of revelations, and I feel like this November is gonna be some kind of uh, some kind of yeah, something hidden. Actually, you maybe know what actually it is. Okay, take what resonates, guys. It's a collective general reading. So some of you guys who are watching this video know what actually they should release in their life, but somehow they aren't trying to accept it. They are assuming, and they are manipulating their mind themselves that no, it's not what actually it is, but it is what it is, guys. And there is a consciousness over here and movement as the Chariot we are seeing. So it is like, this is gonna happen, some truth is gonna reveal, some awareness you're gonna get, and take this as a positive thing. Okay, as we have the Clover here, I feel like this revelation is gonna bring a lot of new opportunities, unforeseen opportunities, luck, prosperity, some, maybe for some people, new love or genuine love. And I feel like over here, this November, solar plexus chakra will be activated for you, the Manipura, because you might walk away from things which wouldn't serve you in your life. And over here we have trust. So it's like whatever bad happens, make sure you trust the universe that it is happening for a particular reason, and you should move and move. You shouldn't stop and let go of it. Let go of yourself. So this is what is gonna happen during November for you guys. However, we'll pull a card from Moonology deck, and then we'll check. Okay, we'll check anything else that you need to know. Technology deck. Okay, we have, you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, so this consciousness card and this over here is telling me like there is some goal, or there is something that you're going, but there are some obstacles that you need to release, but you aren't able to do it. But this November, everything is gonna go off. Everything which does not serve your higher purpose, it's gonna released. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. So you'll be very close to achieving your goal, and we'll pull out another card. I feel like doing so. um Anything else? November month. See, luck is on your side, yes, because we have the clover here. It is, yes, fortune, positive outcomes, good change, big change, and luck is definitely on your side. Do not feel, as we have despair here, do not feel that you're unlucky, that you lost something in your life. No, something big is gonna come, so make sure you stay positive. Okay, so pile one, thank you so much. This is what is gonna happen. Overall general reading in November. If you want to know personally what actually November month holds for you, you can book a personalized tarot session with me. My social handles are given in the description column below. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section below if you like the video or not. Thank you. So hey pile 2, you chose this beautiful rose quartz. Okay, so this November month, okay, this is quite similar to pile 1, but this is mostly speaks about a romantic partner. Okay, so pile 2, if you are in a relationship which is actually not serving you, which is only making you feel nervous, anxious, and which is questioning your worth, and you don't feel the spark, this November you're gonna move out of that relationship or that karmic relationship. Okay, so but you know what I feel, there is someone actually admiring you, and there is someone who is actually waiting for you. Okay, because we have the lovers here and the lady card here, and it makes me feel like someone is actually admiring you from afar, and they have been waiting for you until and unless you do not leave that particular karmic relationship or something. Okay, so it is like change. Okay, the change is coming. The mice here, and the mice actually symbolizes that you're not really happy in the situation that you are in right now, or in a relationship that you are in right now. And there is a thing, there is a movement of change, there is change happening. Okay, as we have 5 of cups here also, I feel like you're gonna move. Okay, and we have Ace of Pentacles near the flowers, so it is like a new love is actually waiting for you, and admiring you from afar, and you know who that individual is. Take what resonates, guys. Is a collective reading, and you know who that particular individual is, but you aren't making a move. You still feel like taking another chance in the current relationship, but I feel like this November it's gonna end, whatever the reason might be. The universe says you to end it. If you're watching this video, this particular video, it is like, end it, guys. This is a karmic relationship. Okay, so this is a collective general reading, let me remind you. And as I'm seeing the lovers, the lady, and creativity, I feel like the woman or the man who is waiting for you and admiring you from afar is actually, gonna offer a lot of good things in your life. Like from isolation we are going to the lovers, and then the lady, and then creativity. She or he is gonna create a world that is worth living in your life. Okay, right now you might be in a position isolated, not knowing what to do and what not to, but it is gonna change. Everything is gonna happen so amazingly. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. However, this was the initial message. However, the second message, that if you guys are married, or if you're already in a relationship and it's going okay-ish, but okay, take what resonates, guys. I'm getting two things. I feel like there are some people who are in a relationship but there is no spark. Okay, if you're married, okay, if you're in a long-term relationship, there is no spark happening. You need to change it, guys. Not change the man or the woman. This was for the initial one. The second message that I'm getting is, if you're married, make sure you bring that spark, create it, create that newness, that romance in your life. So this is what I feel. And November, I feel like you might lose one thing, you might sacrifice one thing, and you're gonna gain an amazing individual in your life, which is gonna serve a lot of happiness and uh, mm, a love and light in your life. Okay, so this was a November reading. However, we'll check the Moonology deck and let's see any advice or anything for this November. Okay. Okay, so we have a personal issue reaches resolution. As I said, something is gonna end, something is gonna come up, some personal issue will be revealed, will be solved. Okay, so yes, obviously, this is resonating, and let's check another deck as well. I mean, another card as well. I feel like taking another one. And we have got believe in the impossible, and we have blue moon coming already. So it is like believe in the impossible, even if you're thinking that why does this individual admiring you from afar. If you're confused whether they are or they are not, definitely they are. Believe in the impossible. You might feel like you are not worth it, you are not stable enough to come with an offer to them, but they feel like you are worth everything in their life. Like in your life, you are worth everything in your life, so do not feel that you are worthless if you're coming to them. Okay, so this is what I'm feeling. And some of you guys who are not in a relationship, who are already single, I feel like this November you might find a person, you might get into a relationship. There are 110% chances, because there is someone who is admiring you from afar. And I feel like a lot of proposals for many individuals are gonna come. This is a general reading, let me remind you, so take what resonates. And I also feel kind of celebrations, happiness, joy, or someone in the family might be pregnant. Okay, take what resonates. If you don't have any individual who is pregnant in your family, obviously this wouldn't resonate. So a lot of happiness, joy, and cute things happening. Okay, so yes, pile 2, this was your reading. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. And yeah, thank you so much. If you really want to know personally what this November month gonna hold for you, I have given my social handles in the description column below. Please do contact me through that. Okay, thank you so much. So, pile 3, you have chosen Tiger Eye. And oh my god, a lot of things are gonna happen. This November, oh my god. I've got two Hermit cards from two different decks. Okay, so and we have got the Moon card as well. So I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video are living in some kind of an illusion, assumptions, or in some kind of a fear. Okay, and that is the reason right now you might feel really low. You might feel, you might feel really low and isolating yourself and not socializing much, or just going inside your cave, inside, like you don't want to hang out or you don't want to come out. You're just feeling like something that you have lost, that we have grave, you're the grave. It's like, you're feeling so down, so low, like something ended, or you're just not in the mood, to take risk, or you just want to be in the comfort zone, and you're really scared, or you're really anxious about what your future holds, something like that. And this November, I feel like you might get some kind of clarity. The first half, or the first week of November, you might be kind of in the hermit mode, like isolated, not in the mood. And okay, so this is what I'm getting. And as I'm seeing the hermit here, there is something that you need answers to. There is something that you're searching for. Okay, it might be anything. Or you might take what resonates, guys, or you might not be searching for anything, but you feel like yeah, but you feel like I feel like something is going to reveal, something is going to come out, some enlightenment, some wisdom, something is going to happen which will make you happier at the end of the November. Okay, and I'm seeing male, female here. I feel like maybe a mother or a sister or someone who is really important in your life, maybe a wife, someone who is really close to you will give you some kind of clarity. As we have Ace of Swords near the male, female, it makes me feel like they're gonna give you some strength, some power, some enlightenment, some wisdom, some knowledge, some clarity, some new beginning, some encouragement, some motivation, or anything. I mostly feel, yeah, it's gonna be a female who is really important to you in your life. She's gonna help you to get over some transformation, some loss, something which makes you feel isolated or sad. She's gonna help you. Okay, so by that over we have the anchor. I feel like some stability is gonna come as after that we have the tree card. This is also symbolizes stability, growth. So and then just before that we have the success and the rebel. So Six of Pentacles also symbolizes someone wise sharing their knowledge, or some offer they are coming to you, like the main female. Also we have someone who is really wise in your life, someone who is really close to you is going to give you some offer or some clarity, some new beginning. They'll come with some new opportunity that will only help you to which will help you to get clarity, and which will help you to move forward, and which will bring stability. Okay, and yeah, this they will motivate you in an extent that you will feel rebellious to move forward, to try new things, or to explore and be adventurous. And we have the success here as well, like this opportunity they are going to bring is going to have a lot of successful propagandas, agendas, and everything is going to be amazing. And we have this rainbow here. I feel like some of you guys might dance this November, dancing, good meal, or maybe gym, good health, playing with their friends, cricket or anything. It's just I'm getting this vibe. Take what resonates, guys. And I feel like some of you guys might go out. Maybe near the ocean, near the sea area, or they are just gonna go out to any restaurant, have a good meal, and enjoy something. But I feel like the first week or first 10 to 15 days will be really hard. But after that, a main female or anyone who's gonna come in your life is really gonna be really wise and give you some amazing strength and power to move forward. Okay, yeah. And I feel this November is gonna bring a new beginning for you guys. Something that you would have never imagined that you would really do it. Like something like this would happen to you. Some new beginning, some excitement and happiness. Oh my god, I feel so excited right now reading your pile. As I'm tapping your future energy of this November month, I feel like you'll be really happy and content by the end of the November. You'll feel so happy. Okay, I'm saying this a lot, like again and again, repeatedly, that you're gonna be happy. Definitely, you're gonna be happy, and everything will work on your favor, guys. Okay, so let's see cards from the Moonology deck, and we'll see what is gonna come this November month for you guys. November month for pile 3. It's just okay. What do you need to release? And communication is the key. So this is great. We have what do you need to release. Obviously, you will be really sad and isolated. So there are chances, because we have the hermit mode. Okay, and I feel like in the period of being isolated or sad, I feel like there is something you'll get to know about yourself. There is something that you learn about yourself in that duration. Okay, so there is something that you'll feel like letting go of, and what do you need to release has come. Okay, and make sure take as this card has come, make sure you ask yourself, what do you actually need to release? What should you let go to reach greater heights? What is pulling you down? Release that shit, guys. And we have communication is the key. This is great. So I feel like if any opportunity or offer comes, even you guys, some of you guys who are watching this video do not like to hold on a phone call. It's like you do not like to talk much, you do not like socializing that much. Even if someone calls to you, maybe an aunt or maybe an old friend, you're just not in the mood to pick up any kind of calls right now, right away. In the first week of November, you won't be. You'll just feel like, leave me alone, I really don't want to talk and stuff. But I feel like, you should let this main female communicate to you, because she's gonna bring a key. Okay, communication is a key which is gonna bring happiness. So take this as a guidance coming to you through me, that this November something good opportunity is coming towards you in the form of communication. So just let that come inside you, come, let that guidance come in, do not hold back. Okay, so you need to release holding back and let that communication flow in your life. Okay, we'll just pull out another card. I feel like taking another one. Okay, paltry, paltry. Okay, we have, oh fuck. I'm so sorry. We have three cards coming out. So the first one is be bold and make the first move. Yes, don't be scared. I told, don't let your fear, manipulate you. Do not let that shit be. Do not feel anxious. Just make the first move. Okay, do not let anyone manipulate you that you cannot do it. Okay, so the next one we have got is confidence is your key to success. Communication is the key, and confidence as well. Make sure you hold that posture, make sure you hold that confidence, that self esteem really high, so that you could crack anything in your life. Okay, so and the next one is we have faith in your dreams. Maybe in the first week or 10 days of November you'll feel like nothing is happening in my life. I feel my dreams are crushed, nothing will happen. What will happen in my future? Nothing makes sense. No, hun, no, everything is gonna be really great in your life. Okay, have faith in your dreams. So pile 3, this was your reading. Make sure you do like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. Let me warn you again, this is a collective general reading. If you want to know personally what is going to happen in this November month, I have given my social handles in the description column below. You can contact me through there, through those details, if you want a personalized tarot session. Thank you so much, guys.